Hello everyone, welcome to Python tutorials. So in this tutorial I will explain how you can use Google Earth with the help of Python, how you can explore Google Earth using Python. So for that you must import a package web browser, and then you need to define the Google Earth URL. So this is the Google Earth URL and I am storing it in variable, and then with the help of web browser I am opening this link. So let's run this. So when I click on run, you can see the Google Earth is loading. So you can see the Google Earth. So it's very easy to use Google Earth with the help of Python. Now what I will do, I will find the city location on Google Earth using Python. So for that, what I will do, I will define a function. So define any function, let's say find city on Google Earth. I will pass a argument city name, and in this function what I will do, I will take the city from the user. So I will use f, and here I will use, and I will pass city name. Fine. And then with the help of web browser I will open the Google Earth URL. Okay, and now what I will do, I will take the input from the user, and then I will pass this city name in the function. Okay, that's it, and then I will run this. So enter city name. So let's say city name is, let's say the city name is Chandigarh, and now you can see, just wait while the Google Earth is being loaded, and you can see the information of the city from here. So this way you can find the city information, and you can see the city is here, and just you can zoom in and you can see the city information. Now let's try some another city. For that I will rerun this, and now enter city name. So let's enter city name Mumbai. Let me close previous tab and then click on run. Just wait. And now enter city name. Let's say city name is Mumbai. Press enter, and you can see the information about Mumbai city, and you can locate the city on the you can on the Google Earth, and you can zoom out and you can see the city information on the Google Earth. So this way you can find any city information on the Google Earth. You can see. Okay, so it's very easy. Just I have defined a function, and then I am passing a city name. I am taking the input from the user, and I am passing the city name into a function. And with the help of web browser, I am opening the link. And here I am changing the Google Earth URL, and here I am taking the city name. That's all. Thank you for watching.